Okay, so we'll look at an example or do some word problems for application of logs in section 7.5. And our example is going to be a financial math problem. And we're going to say we found something where we can invest at 6% per annum. And our investments can be invest at 6% per annum, compounded quarterly. Okay, how long for $3,000 to grow to say $8,500. Now there's a couple words in here that we're not really sure. Per annum, annum's kind of like really close to annual, so it's per year, so 6% per year. The second part of that is compounded quarterly. Okay, if we're talking number of years and quarterly, what do you think quarterly means? 3 months or 4 times a year. So our interest rate is going to be calculated, or so it's going to be calculated 4 times per year. So it's a little bit more than simple interest. Okay, what we're going to have to do, or what we do when we're looking at financial math and compounding, different compounding periods, our interest rate is 6% per year, so 0.06. And we're going to take that 6% per year and split that into 4, okay, which is going to work out to 0.015% per quarter. Okay. So we need to take our interest rate and we need to split it up into quarters. So that'll be how much per quarter. Now, if we're investing for 2 years, how many times would interest be calculated? 8. So it's going to be invested 4 times per year. So our exponent is going to be 4 times n, or 4n. And that's going to tell us it's going to be compounded 4 times per year for the number of years that our investment is, or that we're investing our money for. Okay. From there, it's going to have the exact same look as the exponential equations we've done before. So a equals I, 1 plus r to the power t. And in ours, we have, we're looking for $3,000 to grow to 8,500. We have 1 plus 0.015 to the power 4n. Okay, so what will be our first step when we're evaluating this? Divide both sides by 3,000. These ones are going to cancel out. We can knock off a couple zeros here, and we could have 85 over 30 equals 1.015 to the power 4n. If you wanted to just divide them and get a decimal, that's okay. So what's your decimal? 2.8333. Okay, so we could put that in if we want. So if we did 2.8333 equals 1.015 to the power 4n, what's going to be our next step to solving that? So we can switch that into logarithmic notation, and which is going to equal 4n equals, so log 2.8333 divided by log 1.015. So we can punch those into our calculators and get an answer for it. So we plug that in, get 69.95, divide both sides by 4, and what do we get for the number of years for our investment? 17.46. So about 17 and a half years later, your investment of $3,000 has grown to 8,500.